Have you ever wondered how engineers scrutinize their valve with precision timing? It all boils down to the fascinating world of cam profile. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we'll be diving into the intricate details of cam profile. One can define a cam as a rotary device that converts rotary motion to reciprocating motion. It's also a crucial element in the world of mechanical design and engineering drawing, so buckle up as we uncover. We have basically two kinds of cam, the cylindrical cam and the radial cam. Going further, we also have four different kinds of cam followers: knife edge, roller, flathead, and spherical. These are the different kinds of cam followers. Now, these cam followers undergoes different kinds of motion, which are simple harmonic motion, uniform velocity, and uniform accelerated or decelerated motion. In every cam profile diagram is what we call displacement diagram, which gives an edge in drawing a cam profile itself. Now, I want to be drawing a cam profile diagram for today's video, but I will leave a link on the description part of this video for you guys to look at and see how to draw a cam profile. This is a typical example of how a cam profile diagram actually looks like. There you have it, folks. Cam profile are not just shapes on a blueprint, they are heartbeats of precision in engineering. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the endless possibilities in the world of engineering drawing. Until next time, this is Olakunrin signing off. Remember, cam profile may be small, but its impact is monumental.